Hey guys, finally got my GeForce RTX 2080 Ti for the Win 3. This is a beast of a card. I'm super excited. I waited a while to get it. But let's go ahead and jump in. Let's put it in the computer. Alrighty, let's open it up. It's an enormous card. Little badge. Monster. So it's got 3 display ports, 1 HDMI port, and 1 Type-C USB port. Takes up 3 slots in your PC tower. When you're installing it, ensure that you press this button. Make sure it's down, otherwise you're going to snap and break something. When you're installing, make sure to line up the card. Once it's lined up, give it a nice push, not too hard, but you will hear a click, which is that switch snapping forward. This card takes 2 8-pin VGA connectors. I believe it can run with 1 8-pin and 1 6-pin, but if you want to overclock it, you definitely need 2 8-pins. And here's the finished product. I definitely had fun installing this card. I know there isn't as much information as some people might like, so if you have any questions about it, please feel free to comment below, hit that subscribe button, and check me out on Twitch at twitch.tv/Tybomb505.